Friends, are you worried about your teeth? What is your teeth turned black or yellow? Can't you smile in front of everyone for yellow teeth? No problem. Today we will show you 2 natural remedies that will make your teeth beautiful, as well as your teeth will be stronger. So let's start. First, take 2 tablespoons toothpaste in a bowl. Toothpaste is used to promote oral hygiene. It is an abrasive that aids in removing dental plaque and food from the teeth. And half tablespoon salt. As a substance, salt is antibacterial, and as a substance it does not damage your tooth enamel at all. In fact, using a salt water rinse can help kill bacteria in hard-to-reach places. Add 2 tablespoons garlic paste. Garlic contains antibacterial properties that aid in lowering the activity of bacteria in the mouth that cause tooth decay and bad breath. Allicin is one of the major components in garlic. Garlic also contains antifungal and antiviral properties which help promote strong and healthy teeth and gums. Add half tablespoon baking soda. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, is an abrasive compound that can remove the stains that are caused by drinking coffee, tea, smoking, etc., and the debris on the surface of the teeth to make the teeth appear whiter and brighter. Then mix well. Take now a toothbrush and apply your teeth. Keep brushing 1 to 2 minutes. Do not use for more than 3 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, wash with normal waters. In this remedy, use 1 to 2 times a week. Then you will get good result. Second step. First, take 2 tablespoons tomato juice in a bowl. If you want added freshness, you can also cleanse your gums and teeth with mouthwash after every meal with tomatoes. This step will eliminate the acid from tomato paste and also freshen your breath. Just as importantly, mouthwash can reduce the bacteria buildup in your mouth and avoid serious dental decay. Add 1 tablespoon toothpaste. Add amount like of lemon juice. Lemons are packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and fiber that are beneficial to your teeth. But more lemon juice is harmful for teeth. Then mix well. Take a brush and apply your teeth. Be carefully brush it. Do not use for more than 3 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, wash. Wait normal waters. Guys, if you this medicine properly, then you will get better result. If you want to get more solution, please visit our website. If you want to know something, please comment. Subscribe this channel to get more helpful video.